Okay, so first vlog. Okay guys, what's up? Motogov here. And as you can see, we don't have the ZX25R anymore. We now have the very beautiful, oh my gosh, ZX6R na 2026 model. Brand new. Be-break in pa lang natin to. I just got this couple days ago. Tapos yung odo niya is 15 kilometers pa lang. Fresh from the casa. So, yeah, dahil yung nga break-in pa lang and wala pang ORCR plaka, we're just gonna tambay lang sa malapit. And just, you know, get to know the bike. Have a feel lang. I miss riding so much, boys. It has been November, December, January, February, March. 4 months since I've last ridden a sport bike. Kasi November last year I sold my ZX25R, and now March 2026 I just bought the ZX6R. So, oh my gosh, yeah, I adjusted the levers. Yun yung pinakauna kong ginawa dito. Kasi I want my levers down there para straight yung ano, from the arm to the wrist to the fingers. Isang straight line lang yan dapat. So, hindi mangangawit sa traffic. As well as the clutch din. Para very easy to manipulate the controls. So, yeah, that's an unsolicited tip for you. So, let's start. Oh. Let's just let this thing warm up muna until it reaches like 60 degrees Celsius. Listen to the sound of that. Ang ganda. Oh man, I'm so in love with this bike already. Tamang warm up lang muna. So, yeah, this is my transition from a 250cc inline 4 to a 600cc or 636 inline 4 sport bike. So, the transition is gonna be wild siguro. And it's gonna be slow. Kasi, I mean slow in a sense na it's gonna take a while for me to get used to the power, to the torque, and also including the ergonomics of the bike, the overall feel, and of course the speed. Isa din yun. So, I'm gonna be slow for a while, just, you know, learn the fundamentals again, back to zero, back from scratch tayo. So when we go to the next track day, you know, I'll just be slow lang, just getting to know the bike lang talaga. But I'm so happy, boys. I'm so happy right now, honestly. So bali stock gulong niya is Rosso 4. Alam ko yung size niya is 180/55, tapos 120/70 sa harap. So it's at 52. I just waited until 60. Brand new bike. Not gonna lie guys, this is my first time owning a brand new na sport bike talaga. Kasi my ZX25R was second hand. I bought it around, nasa ano pa siya nun, 16k odo. And I bought it for around 290,000 pesos. For this one, whew, mahal yung SRP na ito, 720,000. So yeah. Pero it's a long term bike for me naman. So I'll probably get my money's worth out of this bike for the next 3 years. Honestly, 3 or 4 years, honestly. Maybe even longer nga eh. Feeling ko good for long term talaga to. Kasi the 600cc category is just sweet spot for learning, for the pace, you know, and for the money as well. So ito tayo sa 60 degrees Celsius na. So it's all warm up. So let's go out. Tambike tayo with friends. First impression ko pala, very big difference pala is the rear brake. Hindi ko alam kung common ba talaga to sa mga higher cc, pero parang ano, very mahina yung kagat ng rear brake niya compared sa 25R. Probably because the 25R was, you know, mas magaan kaysa sa ZX6R. So probably unfair to compare the stock rear brakes between the two. Pero yun lang ang una kong na-notice when I was taking this home from Makati sa City Drive. Dumaan kami sa Osmeña papuntang QC. So during slow speed maneuvers, so syempre we use the rear brake to di ba, stop the bike in slow speed. Kasi if we use too much front brake, maglalak yung front wheel natin. So I use the rear brake most of the time in the city, in the slow traffic. So yun, ang unang napansin is the rear brake is kind of lacking. Evening, thank you. One of my friends said na kulang lang daw to sa brake in, yung kanyang brake pads or the rear brake itself, I don't know. Pero yeah, let's see how this thing goes in the long run once na brake in ng slight. So now we're gonna papagas muna tayo dito. Grabe yung acceleration. Parang naman naked bike sa totoo lang. Sa sobrang bilis ng acceleration niya. Oh, it feels so amazing. Tsaka yung ergonomics talaga. Petron. Hello, good evening. XCS 600 po. Thank you po, okay na to. Okay, so ngayon punta tayo sa mas mura to. 600, 6 liters lang. Putik. Yung gas tank nito, alam ko 15 liters lang. Last time nagpagas ako 4 liters. Tapos ngayon 6 liters lang dinagdag, so 10 liters. Yep, almost full. Mga 70%, 75% siguro yan. So I would have around 10 liters to the tank probably. Mahal. Dati sa ZX25R ko yung full tank doon, alam ko nasa 800 or something like that for like 10 liters. 800 or 600, parang ganun. Ngayon yung 600 hindi pa full tank, 6 liters lang. Yeah dude, fucking gas prices bro. Sakit sa ulo. That sucks. Anyway, let's go. Kanan tayo dito. Oh, the quick shifter from first to second is so smooth. Sobrang lagi compared sa sa ZX25R na medyo janky yung ganong quick shift in that part. Fuck. Tinatansya ko pa talaga yung blipping kasi sanay tayo sa auto blip, so manual na tayo ngayon. Pero anyway, dito tayo sa Cafe Roo. Dito sila Ron, my friend Ron and his wife Kim. Si Ron usually he pulls up with the Aerox, but now he's with his car kasi kasama niya yung wife niya. Ngayon saan ba nakapark si Ron? Saan ba si Ron? Alam ko yun eh. Ay! Saan kayo? Saan kayo nakapark? Saan kayo? Ito na. Doon. Thank you. Thank you. Ha? Kasama ko to. Yan. The pumping really works every time. Yan. Use physics to your advantage. Okay. Like you dip the front end tapos naka-brake ka, and then when it bounces up, release the front brake, and then it's gonna roll backwards. Save energy. Okay. Hello. Kumusta? Long time no see. Wala, night shift siya ngayon eh. Yeah. Ha?
Buti wala yung kids sa bahay.
Yeah, nasa Bulacan actually. Kasi may swimming sila. Okay, let's go.
Andiyan na? Ha?
Sundan niyo muna ako ha. Tapos EDSA tayo after. Para rin makita niyo yung ano, yung place ko. Para next time. Yeah.
Go,
Sure pare. Anytime. Wait lang, it's still cold. Ang lamig pa. Ano kasi brand new pa eh. Break in pa lang. I don't know. Pero na-adjust pala yung idol nito. Ito, the knob. Yeah, sabi ng mekaniko, na-adjust daw. So if masyadong mababa yung minor ko, just turn the knob. Parang carb. Parang ganun. Let's go. Pasensya na. Nag-warm up pa eh. Tara. Thank you, thank you.
Hindi naman yata naririnig ka?
Ginagago. Ubos ang gas. Ang kada bomba 100 yan. Okay na. Tara. Uy, ang ganda ng tunog pa na ano, kotse ni Ron, no? Prrrr. Yes. Subtle subtle flex. Let's go, Ron. May lubak dito ah. Alam ko may lubak dito eh. Sobrang dulas ng upuan. Nadudulas ako po tayo na. Walang grip. Ganyan talaga stock upuan ng ano, Kawasaki. It's very smooth. Kaya papagawa ko to kay ano, kay Boss Batusay. Ay, isa din yan. Yep. Tank pads. Yeah, forma, yeah. Doon ako papagawa. Hey, let's go, man. Lubak. Thanks. To the left, to the left. Hi. Wow. Busy Eman. Yep. Inaaral ko pa talaga yung ano eh. Manual bleeping sa downshift. No. Inaaral ko pa. Na-spoil sa 254 eh. Yeah. Sana all naka-adventure na ano, post oh. Yabang. Sana all tinatayuan lang mga lubak. Sa akin, I don't know, naka-stock pa yung settings ng suspension eh. Hindi ko alam kung pinatigas o pinalambot, I don't know. Pero saan si Ron? Double check, double check. Ayan na si Ron oh. Grabe, ginawitan tayo lahat. Kahit nakakotse si Ron, kaya pa rin tayo guhitan. Luwak, butay na. Grabe si Ron. Bumibirit din si Ron eh. Bumibirit din si Ron. Up. Dito. Okay. Tangina mo. Tangina mo. No. 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 Don't do this. Why you do this? Why you do this to me? Why? Why?
Ay, wala naman sa restriction ng
State Patrol. Oh. Safe pala. Okay. Okay. Safe pala dito, safe. Oh, too far. Na-adjust ko lang yun, no? Distance. Yan. Number 3 is good. Ay! Okay, that's the first kill switch of its lifetime. Salamat. Alam mo, ang ganda ng TFT mo pala, no? Tangina mo. Kupal ka. I know, it's so nice. Oy, tang. Pasimple lang para. Is it recording?
Hindi siya nakarecord. Hindi siya recording.
Hi! Pauwi na kami. Ha?
May puwet yung mic ko. Hindi ko maririnig. Huwag na, okay na.
Hi! Pauwi na kami. Ba't hindi na nalaglag sa puwet mo, no?
Hindi, saan ka?
Asan ba? Ayun, okay. Akala ko sa back pocket. Yung microphone. ASMR, ano talaga, audio. Ingat! Yeah. Go ahead, sir. Ay, sige. Ako pala muna. Bye-bye. Ito mo. Fucking asshole. what you gotta do ya wanna? Kiss it better, baby. Kala ko sila sa lubong gago. my friend. ZX6R. Haven't even reached the top of second gear. Pero nalulula na ako. Nice bike, dude.